Hello, I'm Social Simon from Andover Norton and welcome to another video, this time heading back down to the dyno to test yet another bike. This one is an absolute piece of Norton history, and who better to tell you all about this bike than the man who built it, Norman White and his JPN.
Hi, I'm Norman White. This is my 72 version John Player Norton, and just want to give you a few details on what's inside. It's a full 750 engine. Driving a 5-speed Quaife gearbox. It's fully isoelastic, of course, like all Commandos. The engine comprises of a one-piece crankshaft with two titanium connecting rods made by Arrow Engineering and slipper pistons to match. It's been fairly successful with my classic racing, initially done just for fun, and got a little more serious as we went on, but we managed 55 wins on this machine. We've raced in Europe, all over England and New Zealand, and it's been thoroughly enjoyable. Again, it's a pannier tank version of the John Player Norton of 1972.
So as Norman briefly mentioned, there plenty of history to this bike, so let's get it on the dyno and see how it performs. So looking and sounding absolutely fantastic, and managing 57.66 horsepower as well. Not sure they would probably get much more out of that than if you measured it on the crank itself. The guys down at Dyno Tech, they reckon it's around about a 12% differential, so you're actually looking at around about 63 horsepower off the crank. Thanks ever so much for watching this video today, and if you've got any questions you'd like to know about Norman's bike or just about how the dyno testing works, please do drop them in the section below and we'll do our best to answer them. But until next time, thanks ever so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for the next video, and safe riding.